Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Kalpavruksha. I'm Krishna and I'm super excited to share my very first video on this channel. So today we are going to make the beautiful beaded plant.
And we keep this plant in sunlight. The beads literally glow and reflect the light so beautifully. It looks like tiny leaves sparkling, trust me. So first of all, we need small terracotta pot and a small thermocal ball. So I've cut the thermocal ball into half and placed it inside the pot. Now we'll take some fevicol and spread it evenly with a palette knife. Now here I have taken artificial grass powder. This is easily available in your nearby stationery shop. We'll sprinkle it. No part of the fevicol or the white part is seen at all, so we'll completely cover it with this grass. And now comes the fun part. To make the strands we need a wire and different green colored beads. So I've taken different shades of green like dark green, light green, olive green, and I've also taken few yellow colored beads. So I've taken a 10 cm long wire and folded into half. I have inserted one bead and bring it into center and just twist it to secure and lock the bead. So now we'll add all the different green colored beads. So we'll make different patterns and we'll make sure to leave some space from the top so that we can insert all the strands into the pot. So I've made 20 different strands of different lengths and different patterns. So I've added dark green color bead to make a little contrast. So now we'll take our pot and start inserting one by one. So the longer stem will insert it from the mid section of the pot, and the smaller, the tiniest one, will put it little outside, little near the edge of the pot. If it is not going in, so we can twist the wire or we can tie a knot and just press it properly so that this stem won't come out from the pot. So after inserting all the stems one by one, our pot will slowly turn into a stunning little beaded plant. This plant isn't just a decor, it's a mood booster to your workspace. A touch of nature without stress of watering. It feels fresh, creative, and just happy. A perfect little companion while you work, brainstorm, or sip your coffee.